Conference will now be recorded.
Hi, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. In Python, there is a important framework called Tkinter for the desktop applications. Tkinter. Okay. So Tkinter is a Python standard library for creating a graphical user interfaces. It provides uh, Pythonic interface TK GUI toolkit. Okay, which is a cross-platform toolkit basically. And what is the documentation for that? Let me open the Tkinter documentation. This is the library basically, guys. This is the library, Tkinter. Python interface for TCL TK. Okay.
For mobile applications, huh, this one? Desktop application.
No. Desktop applications.
Desktop applications. Okay, okay.
Yes. Desktop applications. So whenever you want to create something with a desktop, like which is not online, the application which is not online, like our Notepad, like our WordPad,
Yeah, executable files. Yeah.
just executable files. Okay. So how to write a program for the Tkinter? Let me open Collaboratory. How to install Tkinter and how to write the programs for the Tkinter. We will see one simple calculator kind of application with that. Okay. Yeah, this one. Okay. Uh, connect to the cloud. Connected. Yes, connected. I got RAM. I got disk. Just go down. Okay. We start with one more library in Python called Tkinter. Tkinter used for develop desktop applications. Okay. Let me take the library. How to take the library? Import Tkinter. Import Tkinter. What happened? As alias tk. Import Tkinter as tk alias name. Okay, that was executed. Next, what I want to do is I want to import from Tkinter port message box. Okay, fine. Now I want to create the main window. Create a window, sir. Okay, how to create window using with the Tkinter? That is something like a background, whatever you want to do. Okay. So that is something like root. I want to create object like root tk dot. Okay, tk. So that is the main window. So automatically I can give the title for this. Title is equal to whatever the title you want, you can just give. Okay, this is my Mohansh calculator. Mohansh calci. Okay, that is the title. Then geometry. For this root, I want to provide the geometry. Yeah, geometry variable is k. Whatever the size you want, you can just create it. And this should be resizable or not. Dot. You say that resizable or not. Resizable. I say false. Yeah, I can do this. Then after that, I want to create the input fields. Create your inputs. Create your inputs. Okay, how to create these inputs? Very simple. That is something like method, simple object like entry,
Why
tk
false
dot.
false?
Mhm.
Why false false?
I don't want to resize it. I don't want to
Okay.
resize it. If you give true, it is resizable. I will tell you
Ah,
what is the
mm,
output for that. tk dot entry. Okay, I want to create an entry that could be have some parameters. Okay, that is one root. Take root. And yeah, my God, this is getting root with this something, and whatever the font you want, you can just say like CSS. Okay, comma. I want to give some font. Can I go with the Arial? Yeah, you can go with Arial. Then entry dot. If you want, you can do that. Entry dot grid. Okay. For this grid, whatever the values you want. Okay. Row is equal to 0 and column. Yeah, that's very nice. Hmm. Okay. Can I execute this first? How this box
sure.
is coming? Some value is show pk dot entry. Root and width and font. Am I not closed it? I need to close it. Okay, that's fine. Still error. Still error. Title error. Root dot title. Mohansh calculator should be in the parenthesis. Just careful whenever you're writing the program. Just careful.
Sure.
Still issue. What is that? Create a window. Just ask AI. No display environment variables. Okay. Display is not available with collaboratory. Display is not available with collaboratory.
Okay. Then we have to go with other CLI, or we have to import the display.
I'll do one thing. I'll do this in VS Code.
Yeah.
System is slow. I'm getting the VS Code now. Open folder. In our October to Python. Select the folder and create a new file. Save it as Tkinter. Calci. Tkinter calci.py. Yeah, this could be a Python file now. Okay, let me try to execute it. Still it is having issue. Okay. Just I'm following the documentation. Okay. I can see. Can you see? One simple grid came.
Yes, sir.
One simple grid came, and this is hello world and just quit. When I click on quit button, automatically it goes. Okay, so this is the way of creating the Tkinter. That is the desktop applications. Okay, I want to see some calci. Tkinter calci. Okay, who will write all these things? Tkinter calci. Just start. Somebody will write the code. Just try to execute multiple applications with that. Okay. Yeah, this is the code you can take from the geeks. My God, bigger code.
Yeah.
Bigger code. Okay.
How you turned everything into that comment, sir, directly? Any
mm,
shortcut is there? Any shortcut is there? You turned everything into
Control A, control backslash.
control backslash. Okay.
That's it. This is a bigger one. You can able to execute it. Bigger code.
Yeah.
To write this code, it will take 1 day.
One
Seems so.
day, yes, definitely.
Okay. Simple calculator. Okay.
Yeah,
I just
nice.
want and just execute one more time. Just the window size, whatever the window size mentioned. Okay. Calculator. What I want to do, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Clear. 89 into 6. Output, how to get output? Enter is equal to 534. See, this is simple working. And how you write this calculator? What are things you have to work with? So first of all, import the Tkinter, and there is a press key. There is a equal to. There is a clear function. There are two functions. One is the equal function, press function, clear function, and if name is equal to main, then go for the calculator that is having some geometry, and there are some
Why
number
did
of
you take
buttons.
underscore name underscores?
That is a main actually. That is in the classes. That is in the classes. This is the
Yeah.
default. Double underscore
Underscore name
main,
underscore he gave, no? Yeah, double underscore name underscore.
double
Any
underscore,
specific
double underscore main, double underscore. That is a syntax.
syntax? Right?
Mm. It is an entry point. It is an entry point.
Okay.
Okay, just try to work out with Tkinter. There are a number of examples you can able to find out in the Tkinter library. See, this is a library, and just go through the library and try to work with the different kind of examples. Just go through the library.
Sure.
Okay. So whenever you are learning Python, you have to learn in the multiple ways. See, where Python can be used Python can be used in the mobile application. Python can be used in the web application. Python can be used in the uh, desktop applications. Python
Web
can be used
mobile.
in the
Yes.
machine learning. So there are multiple scenarios, multiple examples. Every day one new concept. Try to understand and prepare the resume properly. Whenever you are preparing a Python resume, where your expertise. So I can able to do this. I can able to do this. I can do mobile app. I can do web app. I can do machine learning. So you have to explore like that. Okay.
Yes.
So based on the company requirement, you are getting the project. See, if you are joining for the data science, they will give you machine learning application.
Yeah.
If you're joining for the desktop applications, they give the tick interrelated. Learn different areas of the Python, different areas of the
Correct.
Python. Okay, and I will show whatever the promise I have. I will show one Flask application, web application tomorrow. How to integrate Python with HTML, and in that how ML AI, how machine learning, how linear regression is going to be integrating with that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
in the real time how the YouTube application is working, in the real time how Facebook application is working, in the real time how Amazon is working. Okay,
Yeah,
in
yeah,
that
nice.
way, how the front end, back end merging, and how this machine learning is integrating with that. So that is a kind of Flask with HTML, CSS plus machine learning. Three things I will tell you. Okay,
Yes, sir.
definitely. Yeah, is there other people? Only Rohit. Just go.